service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Russell County in southwestern Virginia, northeastern Scott County in southwestern Virginia, western Washington County in southwestern Virginia, southeastern Wise County in southwestern Virginia, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southwest of Cleveland, Virginia, or 12 miles west of Lebanon, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lebanon, St. Paul, Collingwood, Castlewood, Holston, Hansonville, and Benhams. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.